So it's been a gloriously hot day, and Helen and James are currently getting the hay in before it rains, because there is some rain forecast shortly. You can see, I think you can just about see the tractor. And Ellen's sitting on the back of the tractor. I'm guessing they're heading up to the top part where there's all the remaining bales, because there's nearly 100 bales. So with a bit of luck, because it's actually, rain has held off, touch wood. There is some rain forecast for right over here, but I think if we're lucky we might get the hay in. What do you think, Tom? I suppose I hope so, because that's my munchies all winter, isn't it? I know, darling. I know. A bit warm. I think Tom would like a bit of rain, really. Oh, I can see everybody's bit of stuff going on down here. Oh, what's going on? Spring is not sure what she's doing. Getting cross with somebody. Spring and Rue seem to be big mates at the minute. I think Rue might be Spring's new sort of standby mare. Used to be ours, I think, at one point. Oh, I can't see anybody up in the top field, so there's probably a few more bales. I know, your breath is so warm, mate. You're a very warm horse, aren't you? There he is. I'm a bit warm. Oh, you're sweating. Sweating a bit, aren't you?